G'day there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Now I don't know why, but BMW has tended to hide where the paint code is. Can you see it there on this video? Yep, right there under it says X3 xDrive 20D. See the 300/0? That 300 at the start there is actually the paint code. And here on this car, again you'll see this one's black. The first one was white, it was Alpine white. Here 320i 475. The 475 again is the paint code. It's just three numbers. And I'm going to show you a key now which has got all the different codes and all the different numbers, so you'll be able to match up and see what your BMW paint code is. But it is just the numbers, not labelled, not in any way pickable if you don't know what you're looking for. And by the way, those labels, both on the white car and the black car, were found just on the frame. They stick them on the frame, normally between the doors, so it can be under the bonnet, but normally open your doors and you'll see it stuck somewhere on the frame. It's just that it doesn't say that it's a paint code, so people don't know what they're looking for.